Hey, good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at Stock Market Mentor, and I want to look at a couple pot stocks here. These are not strong buys right now. These are more ideas of stocks that might just be coming out of the bottom. Unless you just were in a cave for the last couple of years, you know that pot used to be a really hot commodity. But over the last year or so, not so much. All these stocks really just took it in the shorts. And so some of them, and Canopy's one of them, I'll show you the other in a sec, some of them look like they're starting to turn. So I thought I'd mention this. And so you can see with Canopy, look at the big, massive volume here. It's very, very obvious when you started to see some institutional interest in this again on the buy side. So I look at this as a definitive bottom. Now that's well below on a percentage basis where we are right now, but that's not the point. The point is this stock hit a big low, came back, fell again, and now I'm looking at this as an inverse head and shoulder pattern. Left shoulder, head, right here, right shoulder. And so I'll say this, if the stock breaks out above this neckline, or we'll just make it easy, this is the high here at 2165. If this stock breaks out above 2165, I think it's likely to be going a lot higher. For members, I'm going to set a price alert at 2165, and then what you will get when the stock breaks through 2165 is this little snippet of video telling you what to do. And what I'm telling you to do is buy the damn thing, and then just make sure you're protecting your position so you're not risking a lot of money if it turns out to be a false breakout. But this allows you to get into the stock. It allows you to get into the stock early. And then the other one that I wanted to show you was this one, similar pattern here. And so it's a similar trade. On this one, I'm looking at resistance at 80 bucks. And so this is kind of the pick and shovel company. That's the equivalent of the gold rush, where the people that really made all the money back in the gold rush days were not the miners. It was the people that are selling the pickaxes and the shovels and the everything else. And so this is what Innovative Industrial Properties basically does, where you rent their properties to grow this crap. So anyway, I'm looking at 80 bucks as resistance here. If this stock starts breaking out above there, that's your bogey. You want to go ahead, and then you have to be patient, because these stocks aren't going to rocket up right away, and they may not rocket up at all. But if this truly is a bottom, and I can make the same type of argument here as far as an inverse head and shoulders pattern, it's quite different. But left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and then that gives you a neckline right here. So any kind of move above 80 bucks completes the downside move, and the stock will be ready to go higher. So anyway, that's all I got for you today. Members, next week, I'm working on it with Gary now. We're going to be trading live in the morning. Just don't know what day, but I'll let you guys know over the weekend.